This 1 Degree Outside video is brought to you by Fluid Form Bio, developing innovative 3D printing living pancreatic tissue to help combat type 1 diabetes. For the first time, you can join this visionary mission. Visit fluidformbio.com or their page on Start Engine to learn more about this exciting work. Friday morning, 1 Degree Outside Weather Network, meteorologist Matt Noyes. This is 1 Degree Outside today. Looking out to the next 24 hours, Noyes' notes, the big ideas of what's coming up. The smoke gradually thinning for us today. Look, as humidity builds and a cold front moves in, there will be storms erupting today. Not everybody gets hit equally. Just keep in mind when thunder roars, go indoors. If you can hear that thunder, lightning's close enough to be a danger for you. Tomorrow is not a front-to-back washout, but there will be showers around with a cold front that's kind of sagging through. If you're watching this on YouTube, please make sure you subscribe. Would appreciate that. And either way, so many of you becoming members, membership.onedegreeoutside.com. Check it out. See if there's something in there you might like. Meanwhile, here's what's going on with the smoke. We've had it the last couple of days, right? We go through midday today, and it thins out in northern New England to just light smoke aloft. When you get into southern New England, a bit more of that hazy appearance with us. Eventually, the clouds are building, so it really doesn't make much of a difference anyway. It is not surface smoke. It's going to be aloft, and then it thins out more during the overnight into tomorrow. School day feels like forecast. It's another summer day is the easiest way to put it for you. It's a shorts day. It's a sunscreen day for us here, and it is a water bottle day. There will be showers and storms popping up. Let's go ahead and dive into that. We've had a couple around this morning that you can track with the radar page on our app, but because some of you watch us at different times of the morning, let me pick it up for you really as we get to midday. Here come some of the showers and downpours developing when you get into the hilly terrain in the mountains, right? As that encounters the humidity, it will tend to grow. What I think is fascinating is that we think this is probably overdone, but notice how cool it gets at the coast. There is going to be a good cranking sea breeze that develops this afternoon. A couple of things about that. It does cut out the thunderstorm energy a little bit near the coastline. The other thing, though, is it actually causes for a turning wind the farther inland you go. So you already have a damaging wind threat. There is the potential you could get a little brief rotation in these when you get the sea breeze meeting up with the storms during the afternoon. As we get to the evening, there are still storms around. Notice who's more exempt from them, though. The farther you are to the south, the closer to the south coast, the Cape, the islands, generally, it's going to be near and north of the Pike, but especially Hartford, Providence, Plymouth, points north where that has the greatest chance, and that lingers into the evening as well. Heavy enough rain for spots of flash flooding possible. We think the most likely spots for that would be probably the Lakes region, the Monadnock region, maybe up into the White Mountains, though the far north country is behind most of the thunderstorm energy. So you see a couple of showers. You don't see anything as strong as the rest of us. And then tomorrow morning, here we go with more showers coming in northern, western New England. Again, I think it's going to be scattered farther south. If you missed that, that's an evening essentials that we just posted last evening. You'll find it on our website, still atop the home screen of our app. Plus, we'll get out the insights for you later on this morning, too. Notice the highs, the difference in temperature between the coastline and Boston. If we go 81, you're going down in the afternoon. You get that sea breeze to come in. Same thing the farther north you go. The New Hampshire seacoast is likely to be cooler than someplace like Manchester or Concord or Milford. And then the farther north you go, we are 75 to 80 today in northern New England. This is not the record high temperatures we saw yesterday. Montpelier, Vermont, setting a record high yesterday. In northern Maine today, we still make it up to 79 at Fort Kent by the time all is said and done. But again, you're behind most of the thunderstorm energy. Overnight tonight, temperatures down to the 60s for just about everybody. Again, remember, the showers will fill back in as we looked at in parts of northern and western New England. And stay on top of the weekend forecast with us. We're going to have more video updates for you coming up. It's always at the home screen of our 1 Degree Outside app on the App Store and Google Play. Stay safe today. Be on guard for thunder, and we'll keep you posted as the day evolves.